We're here at the Magnolia Pointe Hotel and Ameniti Bay hotels in Sarasota, Florida. Two hotels that were put up at about the same time and have very similar elevators. We're gonna go ride them, starting with Magnolia Pointe. There they are. Schindler's. And we're at 6. We're gonna go down to, let's go down to 2 instead of 1, since the front desk is pretty close to where the elevators are. Certificate's out of date, it says it expired August 2025. I'm filming this last day of September. Pretty smooth elevators. I'm gonna send this one up to 6. Here's a look at the hotel hallway. The front desk is right down there. I'll cut the one we get. Both up and down are lit, but very dimly. We're gonna go to 6. Six. Hallway looks pretty similar. We're gonna go down to 1. Also out of date certificate. 3,500 pound capacity. We're gonna go to Ameniti Bay. Here are the elevators at Ameniti Bay. I'll cut the one we get one. Let's go up to 6. At 6. We're going to go down to, let's do the same thing as the last hotel. Let's go down to 2. Here's your inspection certificate. Same thing, expired in 2025. Both of these hotels were put up, I want to say either 2018 or 19. send this one up. Get the other elevator. So here's your hallway. There is a an atrium right here. And we're gonna call the other elevator up. Have a good one. Let's get a cap view going up. I'll show the numbers going down, and hopefully we get a non-stop ride. £3,500 capacity, just like all the other ones. Just a quick look at the hallway. Again, pretty similar to the second floor. And let's go back down to 1. That's how there's no star on the 1 braille, it just says 1. There it goes. And that'll be it.